Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about if you actually need a screen protector for your iPhone 15 and if it's actually worth it. Now, this really depends on how much you're using the phone, if you're traveling with the phone, if you have kids, if you have like let's say animals, because for example my girlfriend got an iPhone or whatever, one of the highest ones, like maybe 14, who knows, and I always put the screen protector on her phone. I order it, I do it because we have 2 kids, because we have 2 cats, because she's using it a lot when she's like recording videos, whatever, on her iPhone. And then I just already, she got the correct ones, the screen protector. So if you're not using the iPhone a lot, you are really careful about it, and it's okay, then don't use it. But then it's like you need to know for what you're actually going to use the phone, okay? So that's pretty much it, what I wanted to share with you. Use your own intuition. If you're going to use the phone a lot, travel, you got kids, get a screen protector. But if not, don't use it.